Hello again.
Hi.
Welcome back. I'm Aurora.
Stuart.
We are Annapolis Valley Dance Company, and this is lesson 4 of level 2 in Bachata, and we are covering the Hammerlock. So let us just show you what the Hammerlock looks like. We are going to make sure we're in our open hold position with the leads offering their easy middle finger hold and the follows resting their frame onto that middle finger hold. Okay, beginning with the weight on the right for the lead, we're going to be taking our steps together in a basic. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he has prepped me on 8, and it could feel to the follow as though it's time to turn. If he was to let go of his other hand here, I might just feel that it's time to go through the window and come back into a turn. We're not doing that. We're going to hang on to this other hand. And when I say hang on, we're not grabbing the hand. We're going to make sure we're just keeping the connection here. So on 8, he's prepping me here, like so. And I have my nice connection down here, which is going to allow me to keep connected to him as I travel through. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to walk together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 is going to prep me out of the hammerlock. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to slow that down and show you again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So,
Beautiful.
what do we need to show you? Basically, we are keeping our frames here. Let me just have you in front of me. Thank you. With the hammerlock, when he preps, he's not going so high that this is going to be an uncomfortable cross for me. He's going to make sure that on that 8, when he preps the turn, he has a slight bend in his elbow. We've created a window here. This window is just enough for me to know it's going to be something I'm supposed to travel through. So that's one cue. Another cue is that he's got the pressure, as I mentioned, offered in his opposite hand. So I am not going to be tempted to let go and do some styling as I travel through. Instead, I'm going to keep my connection here, and together we're going to slow-mo. So I'm going to turn my foot out, follows, walking through the window, and the lead just changes his direction. So let's reverse out of this. Go back to where it came from. Right, and again, going into the hammerlock. Okay, don't worry about the footwork right now. This is just the motion and the position. He raises that arm up, he goes back under, and he makes sure he's facing the direction he started. It's really not a complicated move. It looks harder than it is. So let's do this in time again, paying attention to making this smooth. Can you make it smooth?
Hopefully.
5, 6, 7, 8, basic. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, hammerlock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this can be done on either side, and you can walk as many times as you like before turning the follow out of the hammerlock. I think that's all there is to cover.
I think that's it.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Aurora.
Thank you, Stu. And everyone, happy practicing.